So next finally let us discuss about the benzene. Okay, it is also called as the aronin. Okay. So actually what is the benzene? You know the benzene actually. Okay. So that ene representing alkene actually. There is a double bond. Here benzene also having double bond. But here benzene. So actually here with a 6-number ring alkynes not exist. Okay, in a 6-number ring triple bond not exist. Because this triple bond carbon must have the sp hybridization. Sp hybridization means here that must be linear, should maintain the 180 degrees. But here 180 degrees is impossible. Okay, 120 degrees, that means here more angle straight. So this hexene is not exist. Hexene not exist at all. Okay. But here in this case, it is a general structure of the benzene. It is general structure of the benzene. This one is exist. How this benzene exists actually? Okay. Let us discuss how the benzene is formed. How the benzene is existing. Okay. Yeah. You see in this case, first suppose I am taking this chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene on heating with sodium amide, this NH2 minus Na plus, okay, this NH2 minus remove the H plus, and before this NH2 minus attacking, let us try to know about this bond. Okay, here this bond sp2 carbon, all are the sp2 carbon. So this sigma bond is the sp2s bond, sp2s bond. So here this sp2 hybrid orbital, this s orbital are involved in the overlapping. Now sp2 hybrid orbital and this one is a p orbital. Okay, this is a hydrogen s orbital. Yeah. So this is sigma sp2p. Now NH2 minus remove the H plus, that means here that carbon retains electrons. Okay. There's 2 electrons with carbon. Now those 2 electrons are present in a sp2 hybrid orbital because H plus losing in this case by the NH2 minus. So of course here NH3. Okay, NH3 formation. And here this Cl. Now here in this case furtherly this Cl minus leaving, then this carbon lose its electrons actually. So carbon gaining a positive charge. That means here that sp2 hybrid orbital. Okay, see this one, sp2 hybrid orbital becomes a positive, and Cl minus here Na plus, of course NaCl. Okay, first H plus losing. So this sp2 hybrid orbital as only gains 2 electrons. It carries a negative charge. Of course 2 electrons. Now here this Cl is losing with a pair of electrons. So with the Cl is leaving out with pair of electrons. Then here carbon gaining positive charge. Nothing but that sp2 hybrid orbital has no electrons. So now here these two are parallel. These two are parallel. The condition for the formation of the pi bond, those 2 orbitals must be parallel. So now these two orbitals are parallel. It is a sp2 hybrid orbital and this is a sp2 hybrid orbital. Okay. Now here these two are parallel. So here no electron, these 2 electrons, there is a bond formation. That is nothing but abnormal pi bond. Why it is called as an abnormal pi bond? Because it is not a p-pi bond. You see in this case, these bonds are the p-pi bonds. Okay, this bond is a p-pi. But here this bond is a pi sp2. Okay, and here pi sp2. That means here by overlapping of the 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals laterally, we will get this pi bond. That's why it is like abnormal pi bond. Okay, this is a abnormal pi bond. Now here see in this case, its hybridization is sp2. Its hybridization is sp2. Its hybridization is sp2. Of course, its hybridization is sp2. Generally here triple bond carbon sp hybridization, but in this case its hybridization is sp2. Here also sp2. So number of sp2 carbons in benzene are 6. no sp hybrid orbitals. No sp hybrid orbitals. Okay, because it is formed by the overlapping of the two sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, that is very important. So there is a benzene actually. Okay, benzene. Okay, so here its formula is C6H4. Its formula is C6H4. It is also known as a 1,2-dihydro. 1,2-dihydro. Yeah, dihydro. Okay, 1,2-dihydro benzene. Okay, 1,2-dihydro benzene. Simply called as a benzene actually. Okay, that's it. Number of pi bonds are the 4. Number of sp2 carbons, 6 are the sp2 carbons, no sp hybridized carbon atoms. Okay, that pi bond is formed by the overlapping of the two hybrid orbitals. Okay, laterally actually. Okay, so that is about the benzene. Now here, the benzene is a reaction intermediate. It is a very unstable reaction intermediate. Now here in this case, this is readily attacked by the again NH2 minus. NH2 minus. You see in this case again, these pi electrons are moving to this carbon. So carbon gains negative charge. Here carbon gaining a positive charge. So this positive charged carbon attacked by the NH2 minus. Okay, the pi bond, this pi bond, pi bond. So negative charge, this is NH2. Now here this one gains photon from the ammonia. So here this one H and this is NH2. Okay. So this one gains H plus from the ammonia. So ammonia also acting as an acid. Okay. So here in this case finally the product is aniline. Product is aniline.